It's time to work out. It's time to work out. So, I hope you guys are seeing it.
Gonna make it till morning.
Good morning, amazing people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my video once again today. So guys, today's video is going to be another unboxing, but this time around I bought some sports items that I'll be using for my workout. Okay, so right here I have a sportswear, and here is a skipping rope. The old one I have, my kids, they are using it, so it's kind of straight that I don't really like it anymore. And here is a tummy band, which I'll be unboxing as well, and I'm going to be trying it on with you guys. But first of all, let's go ahead, and unbox the sportswear, and then I'll try it on and show you guys how it looks. Okay, yeah. So let's go ahead, guys. Let's go ahead, guys. All these things motivate us, guys. When you have all this sport, it's not mandatory that you have all this before you start your workout, but sometimes I find it motivating when you have all these items, because when you remember it, say, I have not even do my workout. So that is it. So this is the sportswear I bought from Aliexpress is a set. Okay, so this is the first one. This is the top, and here is the pants. Okay, so this is another top from it as well. Go ahead right now and try them on, and then we're going to see how it is, if it fit me like very well. Okay, so let me go ahead and put it on. I will be right back, guys. And this is how the sportswear looks, guys. I'm loving it. I was kind of skeptical about the size, Aliexpress stuff. So, but by the grace of God, I'm happy that it really fit me like so well. The size really go well with my body. I'm happy that it covers me. It did not show my tummy. That's what I like about it. So this is it, guys. And yeah, this is the right now. Let me go ahead and show you guys like the full outfit. Okay, yeah. So this is the top. Let me bring the camera a little bit down so that you guys can be able to see it. Yeah, so this is it, guys. It's so beautiful, guys. I'm loving it. The quality of this material is so nice. I didn't even expect it to be like this, to be honest. It's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it. So if you're interested, just let me know. Let me leave the link in the description box. Direct from Aliexpress, and they come so quick. That is it for this top. Okay, so let me go ahead and wear the other top. Let's see how it is. Okay, so guys, this is the next top, guys. Like, can you just imagine how this thing really sized me? Like, seriously, wow. I'm so loving it, guys. I'm so loving it. So this is the next top. It really fit me like so well, guys. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So I hope you guys are seeing it. So this is how this one looks like, and it's really nice, guys. I'm loving it. It's time to work out. 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 So this is the tummy band. Let's open it, and I'll go ahead and put it on, because I've been seeing like many people wearing this. So let me go ahead and see how it is. Okay, so this is it. Wow, it's really long, guys. Look at it, very long. So I hope I know how to put it on. It has velcro here as well as here. Sorry guys, I'm back because my son just distracted me here like for a moment. Yeah, so right here it has this that you can as well easily cross it over, but you can as well just put it here and start wrapping. So it depends on what you want, but for now let's do the easy one, guys, because before you put this in across here, it's gonna take like too long. So let's go ahead and do the simple one, guys. So right here I'm going to put it down here, and then I will start wrapping. Let's go ahead and start wrapping. So if you are doing it, please don't do it like too tight so that you can breathe. it's really holding like so well. So I'm at the end of it. So just as I said before, it has almost like a 4 or 5 vicro. So it depends on the one that you want to put it. So let's go ahead and put it here so that it will not be too tight here. So that is it, guys. Okay, how do you guys see it? So I'm loving it, guys. It holds me like so well, just like a waist trainer, you know. So this is it, guys. So unfortunately, when I was opening this here, okay, this jump rope, when I was opening it, I didn't know that I was not recording it, so I have already gone ahead and fix it. Okay, so this is how it is, guys, and it has like a display here, but I couldn't fix the battery like so well, so it cannot work right now. But so after this video, I will definitely figure it out. Yeah, so that is it. We're gonna start our workout and we're going to take it like serious. Okay, so right now I have gotten like the weight that I needed. My dream weight, you know, was 70. Okay, but right now I'm at 72, 73, so it's not that bad. So right now I'll focus on my tummy and in my hand as well as the overall, you know, workout is what I'll be doing anyway. So right now we're going to start our workout, guys. That is it, guys, for today. I hope you really enjoy watching this unboxing and the try on haul. So if you are new here, I'm a Nigerian mommy of 5. Okay, currently my last baby is 8 months now. Yeah, so right now we're going to work out to bring this tummy like so down the way we want it. Yeah, so thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first person to be notified. Yeah, so see you guys in my next video. Ciao, ciao. Bye.